Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to pair your SWYAM smart device with Home Assistant step by step. Give power supply to your device. Now long press the button for about 5 seconds until the LED starts blinking rapidly. This means the device is in pairing mode. Next, open Wi-Fi settings on your mobile phone. From the list of available networks, connect to the Wi-Fi named SWYAM_AP. Now open the Chrome browser and enter 192.168.4.1 in the address bar. Once the configuration page opens, tap on Configure Wi-Fi. Select the same Wi-Fi network where your Home Assistant is connected. Enter your Wi-Fi password and MQTT details provided in your Home Assistant setup. After entering all details, tap Save. The device will now reboot automatically. The LED indicator will stop blinking and remain stable, confirming that the device is now connected with Home Assistant. Make sure your mobile is connected to the same Wi-Fi as Home Assistant. Open the Home Assistant app or dashboard. Your SWYAM smart device will now appear and can be controlled directly from Home Assistant. Enjoy seamless smart control with Home Assistant.